tassa bhagavato arahatum samma sambuddhassa. Good morning, students. Today I'd like to give you a talk about how you can practice true love while you're doing your tests. But first, a story. A friend of mine, John May, used to be the coach of a girls' soccer team, and they were terrible. Every single girl on the team had 2 left feet. And yet, eventually they became champions, and then after that, the champions of champions. Now, a lot of it was their own hard work, and my friend John's constant commitment to them as a teacher. But there was something else he told me that was the X factor. He said that before every single game, he would talk to the girls and say to them, right, I want you to look at the other team, and I want you with your heart to thank them. Thank them for being here, giving you an opportunity to play, and I want you to wish them the very best, wish for them that they can play the very best game that they can, so that they bring out the best in you, that they compete with you, so that you can show the world what you can do. And the better they play, the better you can play. And I want you to thank them whether or not you win or lose. That if you lose, you thank them for showing you how you can do better. And if you win, you thank them for giving you an opportunity to be victorious and humble. So in the same way, before you go into your test rooms, you can think to yourself, thank you to everybody inside this room for doing this test together with me. Practice selfless joy, gratitude, that you have all these wonderful students together working to bring out your best. And furthermore, you can think about all the other factors that have come together so that you can be together at the school. You can think thank you before the test to all your teachers for preparing the test, for teaching you in the lead up to the test. You can thank them in advance for marking your tests and showing you how you've done well and how you haven't done so well, so that you can know how you can improve and also how you can be humble. So in this way, if you think about gratitude and selfless joy constantly, before the test, while you're doing the test and after the test, then you need not be taken by fear, nerves, and resentment while you're doing the tests. For all of these are based upon the hindrances, and they will block your heart and they will stop you from performing your best. So tests are just a part of life. No matter where we go, we have to do tests because we have to show to other people how we're doing. And furthermore, we've got to know ourselves how we're doing. So there's no need to fear them. You can love them. And the more you love difficult things in life, the better you'll do, and furthermore, the more of an example of greatness you'll become to other people. So that's my talk for today. Thank you for listening, students.